Hey guys, this is Fundo. Coming up on Imbewu this week, Zethu roommate runs a nurse unconscious in an unhuge attempts to help Zethu escape. Macingwana won Nokzola against the security she harbors. Nokzola hid the truth of Macingwana message for Zethulele. Zethu pulls a gun on Nkululeko and Fikile and forces Nkululeko to the rooftop with her and strikes. Zethu suicide, our entire world reels. Nkululeko and Fikile dreams with the sense of guilt. Punyuka suspects Zethu was murdered by Nkululeko. Nokzola feels guilty about the possibility that Zethulele is not the father of her child. That's for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And please, guys, don't forget to watch a Versus. This one, Versus.